if there is one thing that we can all agree on, that would be that we are all literally swimming in a pool of toxins. Toxins can be endogenous, toxins can be exogenous. Now there is only so much that we can do about the air that we breathe and the water that we drink and the food that we eat and the kind of things that we apply, but we can all try to make an informed decision so that it's not bad. Like, I'm not saying we can make it perfect, but let's just try to keep it better. Let's just try to be clean and let's just try to be protective as much as possible. So if you look at me, I know that lipstick has chemicals and it is going to have some toxins that's probably not good for my body, but I still apply it because that's a deal that I'm willing to make, because I know that I'm taking care on a lot of other fronts and my body can detoxify with it. So we have 5 eliminatory organs, and if those are working perfectly, you don't really have to worry a lot about these things. Now chemicals such as phthalates, parabens, xenoestrogens, triclosan, BPA, all of these mouthful of chemicals can actually have a real bad detrimental effect on your body. So let's for example take triclosan, which is very easily found in toothpaste, in lotions, in antibacterial soaps, and everyone is crazy about finding something that is antibacterial in nature. But the triclosan that is found inside all of these products can actually mimic the thyroid hormones, and it has been recently banned by FDA because of this property, and it can give you a false result on the reports. Something as simple as xenoestrogens will mimic the regular estrogen inside the body, and when something is mimicking the estrogen, it's never going to have a good effect that an estrogen can have naturally on the body and the receptors and on the glands and on the organs. So what happens is, when there is increase in estrogen, every time there is increase in estrogen, it's going to increase the need of thyroid hormones, and that can elevate your TSH levels. That's your thyroid stimulating hormone. And if you ever get a blood work done, you would see your TSH, T3, T4, and maybe the elevation in TSH is not because of you, because your lifestyle is great and you're not doing anything incorrectly, you don't have symptoms, but it can just be a reaction to the chemicals that you've probably been ingesting or applying on your skin, because your skin can actually absorb these chemicals. So it's just very, very important that we take care of the basics as much as we can. And today I'm just going to quickly, randomly, in no particular sequence, order, or brand preference, just going to tell you the things that I like, recommend, and prefer. I am by no means saying that it's perfect and it's the best in the world, but it's much, 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 much better than a lot of things outside. The one problem is, yes, all of them, most of them are plastic based, so I think there is only so little we can do about it. I'm sure there are people who are working on this, but the product inside is very, very clean, organic, and I know organic can be expensive, not expensive, but believe me, you will save so much of money that you have to give to a healthcare professional or a dietitian or a doctor one day to get rid of these things that you could possibly prevent. So before we even speak about curing something, let's look into prevention. Let's just make sure that you don't fall sick in the first place. So that would save you a lot of pain, money, burden, and just takes away a lot of things. Okay, so quickly going to start with okay, that's the first product. That's coconut oil. This is by the brand Coco Soul. It's like, you always have to look out for this. Okay, you have to look out for cold pressed virgin coconut oil. We don't want just coconut oil, we don't want any contamination. The only ingredient that we want has to be coconut. So Coco Soul is a great brand. I have another one, coconut vinegar by Claps. I really like this brand, it's great. Okay, I am just picking anything that comes. When it comes to supplements also, pathetic third class contamination. You can't trust everything that you get in the market. I have found this brand known as actually it's Urk. I think you can't see it, but yeah, this is the brand. This is organic, it's amazing, and if you just look at their other ingredients, it's just a vegetarian capsule. I absolutely recommend this brand for supplements, it's great. Speaking about supplements, I also really like Pure Nutrition. I don't consume this is my mom's, but Pure Nutrition is a good brand, I really like it. Another brand that I highly recommend for supplements is Solgar. Now again, even with this brand, not every product that they have is bang on, but this supplement and this B complex is the best and the most efficient that I've ever got. Because understand, with B complex we have B1, B2, B3, B7, B8, all is great. But if you just look at biotin, okay, everyone is familiar with biotin, that is your B7. Biotin is not bioavailable, and when something is not bioavailable, your body can't really utilize it. So your supplement is going to a waste, and you're just, you know, basically having like an expensive urine. But when you look at biotin in this one, it has D-biotin, so that's a more bioavailable compound. When you look at inositol, we have myo-inositol, okay, that would be a much better form than just inositol. You look at niacin, that's your B3. You want something that has niacinamide and not just niacin. If you look at thiamine, that's your B1. You want thiamine HCl or benfotiamine, and that would be a much better option. So just having B1 and just having thiamine, it's not really doing anything for your body. So you might as well throw in a little bucks and get in something that's actually going to be really useful for you. When it comes to honey, it's a shitty market out there. They are literally selling sugar in the name of honey. But this one I really like. This is by Indigenious, and it has to mention on the label unfiltered, unprocessed, unpasteurized, 100% pure and raw honey. Everything else that you get in the market, I think you know the name, it's not really honey. So I really like and recommend this brand, and it's amazing. You should not give it to kids who are less than 2 or 3 years old, I believe. So look, speak with your health practitioner. I have this tandoori mayo. I really love this brand. This is black and green, okay. I don't use it, as you can see, like it's quite full, but I have it, and it's good. It's good for, like, you know, it's a much better alternative to the other brands that you get in the market. Oh my god, okay. We have Down to Earth. When it comes to herbs and spices, Down to Earth is a good brand. I really like it. Easily available, not a problem. Then we have Jhaveri Organics, again a very good great brand for oils and stuff. Very easily available, not a problem. When it comes to oil and ghee and sattu and all of these stuff, I really like Adya. This is Adya. This is flaxseed oil, but it's amazing. For anyone who likes pizza and pasta sauce, we have Orchard Lane. Okay, this is organic. If you look at the ingredients, it's so clean. It's so clean. Organic tomatoes, onion, garlic, mixed herbs and spices, brewed vinegar, salt. That's about it. That's all you need for a pizza and pasta sauce. So no additives, no preservatives. It shows 100% pure and natural. So you know the brand is doing great work. Yeah. When it comes to protein powder, I've already spoken about this. I have eaten like 3 to 5 boxes of this. I love it. So this is like my Sun Warrior. I 100% recommend this brand when it comes to protein. I give it to my clients, and this is one thing that I highly recommend. Okay, I have so for cold pressed oils, see, mustard oil is great, sesame oil is great, peanut groundnut is going to be okay, but it has to be of good quality. Okay, so this is by Nature's Land, organic, 100% cold pressed. I love it. When it comes to sugar, again we have a brand known as Pure and Sure. I really like this brand. Yes, it's a good brand. They do great work. It's very clean, all natural, certified organic, no trans fat, non-GMO, no MSG. MSG is detrimental. No cholesterol, no preservatives, and it's good. It's good. I don't really take it every single day, but it's good. Okay, cacao, my favorite. My god, I love this brand. Okay, this is cacao by Sattvic Foods, and if you look at the ingredients, Indian origin cacao powder, that's about it, period, stop. So you know it's a good brand. Okay, you know it's a great product. I know there's a plastic packaging, but it's a good product. Okay, we have something known as Geo Fresh. I really like this brand for, say, seeds and nuts and dry fruits. So I definitely 100% prefer, oh my god, Geo brand. There is also something known as Soul Pyramid. Can you see it? Okay, yeah, this is a good brand too for seeds. ठीक है, फिर हमारे पास है, you know, the basic atta and things that we need at home. So it could be bajra, ragi or anything. Again, this is a good brand. This is again Jhaveri Organics. It should be available on Amazon. We get it at store in Ahmedabad. And again, of course, we have Nature's Land. This is 100% available online. I highly recommend it. I really love this brand. Okay, we have Coco's Natural for banana flour. so you can really make a chapati out of it, and it's just amazing for your gut and stuff. So Cocos Natural is a good brand. Okay, what else do we have? GeoFresh, like I mentioned, organic rosemary है but अंदर स्टार अनीस भरा हुआ है. इंडियन घर है, जुगाड़ रहता है. ठीक है. We have Nature's Land again for your seeds and stuff. फेनल का डिब्बा है, अंदर काली मिर्च है, बस ऐसे ही रहता है घर पे. ठीक है. I have my favorite Mavi's sauerkraut. I really love it. It's so hot. Amazing. Good brand. The room is so hot. And Mavi's is hot too. Again, another brand for herbs and spices. That's Sose. I love it. It comes in a glass bottle. So that's a win-win for both of us. But it's a good brand. Okay. For perfumes, I have quite a few. This is Woof by like literally that's the name. Nature's Extract deodorant. पता है इसका smell थोड़ा सा, it's very fresh. It's a very fresh. It's like not your regular Chanel and Kiko Milano kind of a smell, but it's a good smell. Okay. Then we have this brand known as Sukin. It's a natural deodorant, much better than a lot of things that we get outside. I love that it is, it's with tangerine, mandarin, lavender, vanillin, aluminium-free deodorant, provides a natural option for preventing unwanted odor. So I really like it. No synthetic fragrance, no animal derivatives, no harsh detergents, no propylene glycol, no artificial colors. So we are looking at a good product, and I am not sure इसका smell क्या था. Yeah, it's good, it's decent. Like I would prefer the Woof one, but again very clean, and maybe someone else would like it. Okay. When it comes to body lotion, I really like Nature's Trail. It's amazing. This is again lavender based. If you can't tell, I am obsessed with lavender. And this is also like sulfate free, paraben free, animal derivatives free, silicone free, EDTA free, mineral oil free, PEG free, BHT free, that's a beta hydroxytoluene, no animal testing, no harmful chemicals. Quite good, enriched with Dead Sea salt and stuff. I really like this stuff, and it's very long lasting. Okay, so when you like post shower, you just apply it and the smell just stays all day, so it's amazing. Okay, I have another brand for cocoa nibs. I really like this brand, Storage Organics. They do great berries and stuff. So this is Storage Organics blueberry. If you look at the ingredients, कहाँ पे गया? Can't find it. But ingredient is, I think the only ingredient is blueberry, and they have not added any sugar. So usually with dried fruits and stuff, they will add a lot of sugar. But this one is low in calories, high in vitamin C and K, rich in antioxidants, great source of dietary fiber. And I really like this brand. Okay, it's a good brand, Storage Organics. When it comes to detergent and laundry, I like Rustic Art. You should check out all of their other stuff. But Rustic Art is again a good brand, organic bioliquid laundry. I use it to do my laundry. Then we have, I like this brand. Okay, this is the Mom's Company, and what you see in my hand is a protein shampoo and a baby wash. I legit use these two every single day. Even though it is formulated for babies, it is much better than any product that I found outside. I'm sure there are many products that I'm yet to come across, but this works for my body. It's decently priced, it's not very expensive. So this is what, 393 rupees for 200 ml. And believe me, the kind of toxins that we are not ingesting, exposing our body to, I think it's a great bet. So the Mom's Company is amazing. A lot of people have asked me about Mama Earth. Mama Earth has EDTA as their ingredient. Like I said, yeah, I remember it. So Mama Earth has disodium EDTA as their ingredient. It's not terrible, but I mean, if you can avoid it, like it's good, it's okay, like much better than a lot of other high-end brands that is available in the market. But ठीक है, कभी-कभी कर सकते हैं. So I think that's about it. I think I covered most of the things. Go into the same brand, just dive a little deep in and just see कि if that brand is doing some other products that you're probably using at home. So जैसे कि आपका हल्दी, नमक, काले मिर्च वगैरह हो गया. So you will very easily get it from Nature's Land. Okay, so I think that's about it. It's good. It's the basics, and if I've missed out on something, you can ask me in the comment section below, and I shall get back to you. I hope you have a wonderful day.